everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, my name's Shawna. It's nice to have you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so I know you like my channel and you like other videos like this. Today I'm going to be talking about the brand JACQUEMUS. I think that's how you pronounce it because he is a French designer and this is a French brand. If you're in America, we pronounce it like JACQUEMUS. This brand was created by Simon JACQUEMUS. And again, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing. Yeah, he is a French designer and I have been loving this brand for so long now. I think this brand really came onto the scene when Kim Kardashian wore his dress and his little Chiquito bag in 2018. I think it was like her 20-year high school reunion or something like that. And I feel like everyone saw that and they were like, oh my god, I love this, or it's like so cute, or some people were saying that it was like really tiny, like what can you even fit in there. It just became like really trendy and just started showing up a lot on Instagram as well. And I don't have the purse right now. I may or may not get that in the future, but yeah, right now I don't have it with me. I'm just going to be putting up pictures. But I wanted to talk a lot more about the Le Chiquito bag. I know some people like don't understand the bag because they think it's too small, but what a lot of people don't know is that he came out with other sizes as well, so it's not necessarily that little tiny bag anymore. There's like other sizes. Also, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my laptop. When I think of this brand, I think of like beachy, trendy, chic kind of vibes, like that big straw hat and just like very nice flowy clothing and more like summer and spring kind of colors. And I personally love that. I love it so much. This brand is like everything, and I hope one day I can just own everything by this brand because I just love the designs, I love the purses, I love the shoes, I love the accessories. Also, I'm sorry about my setup back here. I'm trying to figure out a better setup. First, I'm going to talk about the Le Chiquito bag. This bag is made with 100% leather and made in Italy as well. Basically what it is that it's like this small structured bag with a very big top handle on it, and it has the name of the brand in gold lettering. For the closure, it's like a little flap with a magnetic closure, so it's not like a zipper or anything. You just open it up and just close it again with the magnetic closure. It also comes with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody or like over the shoulder, or if you want to, you can just hold on to the handle as well. Also, the size of this is supposed to be 12 centimeters by 6 centimeters, so it's not that big, but it's supposed to be like kind of that small bag. That's how like everybody knows it. I personally love this bag. I love mini bags so much. Like I have so many of them and I just like carrying the purse and just how small it looks. I feel like it really adds to an outfit. I know some people don't really like that. Like they like bags that they can fit more stuff in and can use like every day, but I personally like it. I don't really carry that much anyways. The only thing I'd probably like fit in here is like a little card holder, maybe my car key, like not a lot of keys on the keychain, and then some lip balm or lip gloss. I definitely don't think you can fit your phone in here, but that's fine. I feel like a lot of people hold on to their phones anyways. Yeah, that is the Le Chiquito bag. That is the small version of it. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that he also has 2 other sizes in this purse. Actually, there's like 3, I think. There's like this small one, the Le Chiquito one. Then there's like a even tinier version of this that I think you can only fit like 3 pennies in, and then a medium size and a large size, and I'm going to be talking about those right now. He has the same bag in like either 100% leather or in suede leather or like a crocodile kind of design. I don't think it's real crocodile skin, but it's like the print, it's like the design of it is like that, and you can either have it in crocodile suede or just regular crocodile leather. Okay, so the itty bitty little tiny one that I was talking about before is the micro leather bag, and it's the miniature version of the mini Le Chiquito bag. And this one is so small. Like I said, you can probably fit like 3 pennies in it, honestly. This is more of an accessory piece than like an actual handbag, so I definitely don't think you'll be able to use this as a purse. So if you decide to get this, don't think that like this is like a purse that you're gonna take everywhere, and it's like affordable. I think it's like $200. Let me check. $250. It's $250. Very, very small. It's like this big, so don't think you're gonna get it and then like just fit everything in it. But this bag, since it's so small, they don't put like the full name of the brand on it. They just have a little J in gold lettering, and I'm pretty sure the closure is the same with like a magnetic closure. Yep, same thing, magnetic closure. Just for dimensions, it's 8.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. I forgot to mention the mini Le Chiquito bag is also $500. Depending on what material and stuff like that you want, it's probably gonna be $520 or $550, like somewhere around $500 and $550. And now onto the Le Chiquito Moyen, and this is the medium size version of the Le Chiquito. This purse is basically the same as the miniature one. It also comes in like the crocodile pattern and suede and like 100% smooth leather and stuff like that. The Moyen I feel like is a lot better if you want that small bag, but you still want it to be like an everyday bag where you can put a lot of stuff in it. This bag also retails for $620 US. Again, it has the magnetic closure and like a flap to open and close the purse. And the dimensions of this is 18 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters. So it's definitely a lot bigger than the Le Chiquito one, but still small enough to look like a small handbag. I feel like you can fit your phone in this purse a lot better than the Le Chiquito one. I don't even think you can fit a phone in the Le Chiquito one, but I actually like the mini one and this one. I had the option. I'd probably go with the Moyen one because again, I like the small purses, but I also still want to be able to use it, you know what I mean? This purse, now onto the biggest size of this purse, and it's the Le Grand Chiquito. And this one's a pretty big purse. Like it looks exactly like the same as the one that you see everyone wearing on Instagram and stuff like that. It's just a bigger size. It also retails for $740 US, and the dimensions of this is 22 centimeters by 18 centimeters. So it's definitely like a lot bigger and a bigger handle. This purse also comes with a strap, but I feel like it would be a little bit better if you like hold on to the purse. Like it would look better than have it on a strap. I feel like the Le Chiquito Moyen and the Le Chiquito would just look better on a strap or just using the top handle, but the Le Grand Chiquito is kind of like more of a purse that I see people wear just like carrying the top handle. Same thing, this one has a flap and a magnetic closure, the gold detailing of the brand, and this also comes in like the crocodile pattern, suede, smooth leather, also a whole bunch of different colors and designs as well. So I personally love this brand. I feel like this brand is a really good brand for people who want to enter into designer items, because the items in JACQUEMUS is expensive but still affordable. Like the Le Chiquito is $500, which I mean $500 for a little bag is quite expensive, but again, this is a designer item. I feel like if that purse was in Dior or something, it'd probably be like $1,000 honestly. So I feel like this is a lot better and a lot more affordable if you're wanting to start to enter into like the designer world. Again, if I had the money, I would buy everything from this brand because I personally just love the clothes, I love the purses, I love everything about this brand, and I just like the vibes that it gives as well, like the kind of style it has. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this little review of JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito bags, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we are still trying to reach that goal by the end of September. I'd really appreciate it if you guys can subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below what other designer brands you want me to do, or like what other items you want me to review on JACQUEMUS, and I'll see you guys in the next video.